Hi guys, in this video we'll be going over how to install Galaxy Max app, output from your tab or your phone to your monitor at 120 or 144 Hz. So we'll not be using Mitchenson, we'll be using a simple adapter like a DisplayPort to USB-C. Okay, this is a DisplayPort adapter. So first let me plug it in. I have not installed Galaxy Max, so this is the raw without anything. So it says 144 Hz, right? And if I go to Samsung browser and I go to testufo.com, you can see it's saying 59 or 60 FPS. It's not going at 144 as the monitor was reporting. We can fix that by installing Galaxy Max app. Let me show you how to install it. We need to install 3 applications. First, we're gonna head to Google. We're gonna search Shizuku GitHub. Okay, that's the first thing. Go here, go to the latest release, and download this. Okay, I've already downloaded it, but let's download it again. Okay, one thing done. Now I'm gonna open another Google tab, and now I'm gonna type install with options APK. Okay, then go here, go to the latest release, and download this. Okay, now we're gonna go here again and write Galaxy Max Hertz APK. Okay, we're gonna go to the first link. Okay, we are not using rooted, so we're not using a 32-bit device, so we're gonna download the first link. Okay, 3 things have been downloaded. Now, to install Shizuku, you need to enable developer options. So let's turn on developer options first. Go to tablet, software information, build number. I'm gonna do my pin. Okay, developer options. Okay, so what you need to enable is USB debugging and wireless debugging. Okay, also need to enable this ADB authorization timeout. Okay, now we have to install Shizuku. I've went to my installation files and I can see these 3 apps. So first I'm going to install Shizuku. Now you need to set up Shizuku to be able to use install with options. So let me show you what I mean. So once you open Shizuku, you need to do the wireless debugging. Okay, you need to pair. So okay, we have to first allow this. Okay, and we need to go to developer options and do the pairing. Device found, and you have to type in the wireless code that it gives, and it should say pairing successful. On your paired device, it should say something like Shizuku. Okay, then once you go to start, and it should start automatically, and it should say Shizuku is running. Okay, so once it's running, now we can go back and do our install with options. Okay, so once Shizuku is running, then you go and do your install with options. Say something like this, and you say allow all the time, and it should say app install. Let's open it. Okay, you should see something like this. Now choose the following things that I'm doing: all users, all downgrade, restricted permission, disable verification from ADB, full app, grant all requested users. Now choose the file Galaxy Max. Okay, and then you press install, and it should say something like this. Then you go install anyway, give your fingerprint if you have set it up. It's all Galaxy Max. Okay, it says success. I press OK. Now I cut everything. Okay, I go back to Galaxy Max. Okay, if it closes, just press again, and it should say something about permissions. Some permissions, you should say Shizuku, allow all the time, and you're pretty much done. Now I'm gonna turn on the status bar, so you see 120 Hz. Okay, constant high. Now we're going to try the same thing that we did earlier, okay? But now see what happens. Okay. Connected. Let's see. 144 hertz, although it's not at 144, we are capped at 120 at 1440p. Now you'll see it's working at 120 hertz. See? Now it's properly working at 120 hertz. So the Galaxy Max allows us to bypass that 60 hertz limit to be able to output at 120 hertz without Michelson, just using this. Okay, so now everything should work and you can play your games. Hope it helps.